Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the VariLite. This amazing tabletop system is a 532 and a 940 nanometer. And what it does is it targets vascular lesions, pigmented lesions. It also does skin tags, and you can do skin rejuvenation and permanent hair reduction. This dial right here allows you to change your nanometer setting. You also can control your beam brightness. You have volume. You also, it shows right here what nanometer you have, what spot size fiber is attached to your device. This is where you control your density and your energy, your pulse duration, and your rep rate, which is how fast you go. And this also counts how many shots you've done, and you can always reset this. When you're ready to treat, all you need to do is push this button.